Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Raider, link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from Singapore. This is some more new stuff from Singapore. I've been getting a lot of it lately, and that's great. I'm really happy about that. So let's crack this open and see what's inside. Hey, cool! So these are from two different companies. They're made for two different companies in Singapore, and they're made in Malaysia for those companies. The first of which is a company called V-Corn. I've never heard of these guys before, but this is a Sakura prawn noodle. I'm a really big fan of Malaysian prawn, Hokkien prawn, that kind of thing. So we'll have to see how this is. This sounds pretty good. And then we've got a Singapore laksa soup noodle. I can't get enough laksa to try, so that's always a good thing. And the other brand is Ayam. Ayam means chicken, and what's kind of funny is when I was contacted about seeing if I would take some samples, which of course I always will, I was thinking like, yeah, I've had something from Ayam brand. It was mackerel, which is fish, so chicken and fish, and yeah, but this is a black pepper noodle, and it comes in a box. I'm curious what's on the inside of the box. And they're individual packs. There's 3 of them. There's also a laksa, and this sounds good, a sambal shrimp noodle. Well, thank you very much to the kind folks over at Yi Lee for sending this over. I'm really looking forward to giving this a try, and I will do so very soon. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.